Today, we will talk about how to get Amaryllis to Rebloom. Let's have a look at the details. Amaryllis flowers usually appear in winter or spring and last several weeks before fading. Compared to most flowers, Amaryllis bulbs easily bloom more than once, but for best results, they require proper treatment year-round to ensure they are developing correctly through each season. In this video, we'll teach you how to properly care for Amaryllis throughout the year so it will bloom again the following winter. How long do Amaryllis blooms last? Amaryllis blooms last about 3 weeks. To get Amaryllis to rebloom, snip off dying blooms and yellow stalks. Once summer arrives, plant it outside in water and fertilize regularly. Bring it back indoors before the first frost of autumn and nip off dead leaves. Store the bulb for 6 to 8 weeks in a cool, dark area. The first step is deadheading and after-bloom care. Snip off each flower as it fades. This prevents the plant from producing seeds, which requires a lot of energy that should be directed to survival and growth instead. Cut the flower stalks once they yellow or sag. Cut them back to within 2 inches of the bulb, as they are no longer useful to the plant. Move the Amaryllis to an area with bright indirect light. Most people with Amaryllis plants keep them indoors while they bloom in winter. If this is the case, move the plant to a windowsill with indirect sunlight to let it adjust to increased sunlight. Pick a spot that is bright and receives lots of sunlight, but not by direct exposure. Water the soil whenever it begins to dry. Your Amaryllis will likely require daily watering unless kept in a humid environment or planted outside in moist soil. Don't let the soil dry out completely, at least not for longer than a few hours. The second step is caring for Amaryllis in summer. Plant the container outside once summer is underway. Select a location that receives full morning light if possible, but is protected from the sun during the hottest part of the day. Continue to water regularly. Check the soil daily and water whenever it is dry or almost dry. Make the bulb strong and healthy by applying a balanced fertilizer to the soil every 2 weeks. Use a soluble houseplant fertilizer and apply according to instructions. Do not apply more than instructed. The third step is caring for an Amaryllis in autumn. Reduce watering gradually as the leaves die, but do not allow the soil to dry out completely. Snip off the dead leaves. Trim the yellow or brown leaves once they have withered by cutting them off next to the neck of the bulb. Allow living green leaves to remain on the plant. Bring the plant to a cool indoor area before the first frost. Place the pot in a cool, dark area between 40 and 50 Fahrenheit, like a basement. Store the Amaryllis in the cool, dark environment for at least 6 weeks. Do not water it during this time and do remove any remaining leaves as they die. This is the bulb's dormant period, and the plant must experience this in order to bloom again. And the fourth step is forcing a new bloom. After the 6 to 8 weeks are up, reach under the soil surface and gently squeeze the bulb. If the bulb is soft, it may have rotted and become unusable. Replace some or all of the soil. Like most plants, Amaryllis plants grow better in certain types of soil, and over a period of 1 to 3 years, they may remove the nutrients from their soil. Water the soil thoroughly if you repotted it. If you transplanted the bulb into a new pot, water the soil thoroughly and allow the excess to drain through the base of the pot. Keep the plant in a relatively warmer location. The ideal temperature for forcing an Amaryllis to flower is between 55 and 65 Fahrenheit. Wait for the plant to flower. While a new Amaryllis plant usually grows a flower before leaves, they may appear in either order when it reblooms. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.